Horseshoe Design Solutions is a team of civil engineering students working over the course of the 2024 calendar year on Project Horseshoe. Project Horseshoe is a bridge replacement effort in Cross Plains, Tennessee to accommodate the widening of I-65 over Horseshoe Road, commissioned by the Tennessee Department of Transportation, or TDOT. Avery and Ellen are responsible for the structural design. Myself and Preston are responsible for the geotechnical design, and Christian and Jace are responsible for construction engineering and management. We are working alongside mentors at Benesch, a civil engineering design firm with locations all over the eastern U.S., to offer 2 bridge design options, including the bridge deck, beams, abutments, cost estimation, and construction phasing. More about the details of the project from the team.
To elaborate on the bridge design, our solution to the task will include one bridge featuring steel beams and a sloped abutment, and the other featuring concrete beams and an integrated abutment. The difference between the bridge is the amount of design that goes into the bridge framing and the abutments. The steel bridge will feature a longer span and a sloped abutment, placing the bulk of the design on the framing. The concrete bridge places the focus of the design on the U-shaped abutments to support a shorter span for the bridge.
We are currently in the early stages of our project design process. Live loads have been calculated while progress is still being made on wind, dead, and seismic loads. Also, a geotechnical report of the site is being evaluated so that soil properties can be determined and cost estimations for expected materials are being compiled. Outside the design work involving standards and codes, we have met with contractors from Jones Brothers Construction to discuss safety in bridge construction to influence our construction phasing and contractor preference in bridge construction regarding beams, abutments, and influence our bridge design.
You might be asking yourself, what is the point of our student project? The National Academy of Engineers is a group of select renowned engineers who contributed greatly to their profession, and we as a design team are working towards one of their 14 grand challenges facing engineers today: to restore and improve urban infrastructure. The widening of I-65 over our bridge addresses congestion issues that people face on the interstate every day, mitigating the social impact of heavy traffic weighing on people, stalling their commute, and causing tension between transportation officials and the public.
Although our design will not be built, we seek to help our client and mentors with future comparisons of bridge designs by offering our evaluation of economic impacts of the Horseshoe Bridge construction with 2 different designs. Not only we're providing a service to our mentors and clients, but also ourselves. The American Society of Civil Engineers has offered a body of knowledge known as BOK to the civil engineering community, complete with key skills and outcomes civil engineers should have, young and old. Project management, engineering design, teamwork, and leadership are just some of the outcomes we expect to develop during our design effort, improving our professional readiness as young engineers.